Hello everyone and welcome to a new video and continuing the series of discovering new AI tools. Today we are going to discuss AudioNotes.ai. Now this is a speech to text AI tool and it can convert your speech into text by default in the language you are speaking, or you can transcribe language of another choice of yours. Now before I can proceed with the video, I request you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if not done yet. Besides that, you're going to find a few links. Make sure you join the Telegram because that's the place where you can get most of the updates. So coming straight to the review part of it, and you see, let me tell you once again, and I'm sure most of you already know that Windows, if you're using Windows or for that matter Mac also, I'm a Windows user. You can do it for free by your Windows in itself. Like I'm opening a text document over here. I enter the Windows H key and I can go on typing whatever I want, and it's going to do it for me for free. Now, I'm not sure whether I can transcribe it into another language as I'm typing. Now, supposing I'm typing here it in English, I'm not sure if the same is going to be the output is going to be given out in some other language. So let's test out the tool now that we know that we can already do that on Windows for free. So let's close this file. Now coming to this, you can also, so it's similarly like you just select the microphone over here and you start your recording. Before that, you need to go to your settings and your input language. If you select auto detect, and even here let's it be auto detect, which will be by default. The summary output you can have in a bullet form, or you can have that in a paragraph form, and summary length whatever you want, medium, short, you can choose out. So right now I've left it with the default settings, so you can go ahead and just as we had done, click on it over here and you can generate your speech to text. Now the other option is, if you already have a audio file, let's say you have picked up an audio file from the internet, you are not speaking it and you want to transcribe it into a text form. So you just upload the audio file. So this is a audio file which is there on my desktop. It's a demo file which I've done to test it out. So let's go and play this particular audio notes. Choose a one-time lifetime payment up to 30 minutes per note. Speak in any language. Notes and summaries saved forever. Mobile app, unlimited voice notes, upload audio or video, add your prompt soon, browse extensions soon. Okay, so you can see this is the content. So once you have uploaded this particular file, it's going to transcribe it into, now since the default is auto settings, as we had seen, the default settings is auto detect language, and the transcription language also it was paragraph. Here is the output which you can see with the audio note feature. You can whatever the audio is speaking, it has transcribed and changed it to a language of your choice. Now here to test it out at done is I have clicked it here and tried to, let's go to settings over here, and let's say change the language, input language, let's say English, and the output language here is Hindi is what we'll select. Hindi out over here. So I'll leave it in a paragraph form. A demo I will show you which is in a bullet form also. Let's select it bullet forms, and let's proceed. Now I'm going to try to read out the same. You'll have to give permission for your use of microphone when you use it. So here we go. So transform your thoughts into clear text notes with this amazing tool. Tap on the stop button above to stop and start summarizing your note. So this transcription we are doing is going to detect the language which is there, which is English over here, and the summary language output I've asked it into Hindi, and instead of a paragraph form into a bullet form. Let's stop this. So it's going to take a few seconds to transcribe your audio into the related content. I tried a short demo over here. You can see over here. This was in bullet note form. I had read out the same thing and it had converted it into Hindi language over here. The video is being transcribed over here. So here you go. You can see over here, Chinta's first part. If you are not a Hindi user, please excuse me. So I just wanted to show you demo, and you can see it as here in bullet form. Whatever we have spoken about has been transformed into a bullet form. You can go into the settings, and you can always select the input and the output language, and the summary how you want, whether you want a paragraph form, you want a bullet form, and the summary what you want, medium, large, etc. So this is how you can convert speech to text over here. You can transcribe using audio files also, as I mentioned over here. So I hope